Good morning, students. Today we are going to start comparative balance sheet, comparative statement of P&L, common size balance sheet, and common size statement of P&L. The format of comparative balance sheet and one illustration I had already discussed in the previous video. Today we will go further and study once more time comparative balance sheet with the help of numerical example, right? Comparative balance sheet. Comparative balance sheet, right? How it is prepared? There are 4 columns in comparative balance sheet. How many columns? 4 columns in comparative balance sheet. As you see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and particular column. Particulars, previous year, current year, absolute change, and percentage change. There are 4 columns: particular, previous year, current year, absolute change, and percentage change. This is the format of comparative balance sheet, right? As you know, company's balance sheet starts from equity and liabilities. In this there are 4 heads and their sub items. This we have discussed in first chapter. What are the various heads? Shareholders fund, application, money, pending allotment, non-current liability, and current liability. Now there are various items also in these. This is the total. You have to total only 2 columns, previous year and current year, right? This is total liabilities, right? Then there is head of assets. In assets you will see non-current assets and current assets. This we have already discussed in the first chapter. Now there are various items in these also. Then total assets. Now what you have to do is, suppose there are some items and their numerical figure is given. Let's say 5 lakh, say 6 lakh, 4 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 549 and 11 lakh, 639 and 10 lakh, right? Similarly for asset items there will be various items, तो हर एक का अमाउंट गिवन होगा. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग एन एग्जाम्पल कि किसी आइटम का अमाउंट ये है, किसी आइटम का ये है, किसी आइटम का ये है, राइट? So similarly we can take non-current assets. Some example, let's say 6 lakh, 8 lakh, 5 lakh and 2 lakh. Now this will be 11 lakh, 10 lakh. These figures will be given in the question. What we are preparing? Comparative balance sheet which helps in comparison of two figures. Then we calculate absolute change. How do we calculate this? Current year minus previous year. Current year minus previous year. Absolute change is calculated by current year minus previous year. 6 lakh minus 1 lakh, 1 lakh. 3 minus 4, 1 lakh in minus. 3 lakh minus 4 lakh is minus 1 lakh. In company account we show negative item in bracket. 1 lakh minus 2 lakh minus 1 lakh. 10 lakh minus 11 lakh, 1 lakh. 8 minus 6 lakh, 2 lakh. Oh, it's a positive item. 2 minus 5, 3 lakh. 10 minus 11, 1 lakh. Negative item. So this is how we calculate absolute change. 6 minus 5, 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2, 1 lakh. I have discussed in my previous media file how to calculate absolute change. Now how to calculate percentage change? Percentage change is calculated by absolute change upon previous year into 100. Absolute change upon previous year into 100. 1 lakh upon 5 lakh into 100. 1 lakh upon 4 lakh into 100. 1 lakh upon 2 lakh. 1 lakh upon 2 lakh into 100. 1 lakh upon 11 lakh. You have to find percentage of total also. 11 lakh into 100. 2 lakh upon 6 lakh into 100. 3 lakh upon 5 lakh into 100. Now 1 lakh upon 11 lakh into 100. Now we will calculate this. 20%. This will be 25%, but you will show it in bracket since it was negative figure. You show it in bracket 25%, 50%, and so on. And so on. You can calculate like this 33.3% and so on. And so on. You will calculate all these figures. So this is the format of comparative balance sheet. In the board examination, you will get, in CBSE exam, you will get this question for 4 marks. आपको ये भी क्वेश्चन में गिवन होगा, प्रीवियस ईयर भी गिवन होगा, करंट ईयर भी गिवन होगा. आपको केवल एब्सोल्यूट चेंज एंड परसेंटेज चेंज निकालना है. आई रिपीट, यू हैव टू जस्ट कैलकुलेट एब्सोल्यूट चेंज एंड परसेंटेज चेंज. इट शोज द कंपैरेटिव फिगर ऑफ 2 years. 6 by 5 lakh, 1 lakh, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 1, and so on. This is the format of comparative balance sheet. If you look at various questions in your book, you will find out question number 1, you have to prepare comparative balance sheet. Question number 2, question number 3. Right? Kindly do these questions. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 5. Question number 6. Question number 7. There are 7 questions of comparative balance sheet. You can do this on your own. I have finished one of the topic of comparative statements and common size statements, that is comparative balance sheet. You can do question number 1 to question number 7. Very simple to find, very easy to do. These are bonus marks in your board examination. Thank you.